Getting older doesn't mean giving up comfort, independence, or enjoying everyday life. In fact, with the right tools, daily routines can become easier, safer, and even more enjoyable. From getting out of bed in the morning, to moving around the house, staying organized, or simply relaxing in comfort, today's smart and practical gadgets are designed to support the changing needs of people over 60. In this video, we're showcasing 20 must-have gadgets in 2026. Every older person will appreciate simple, thoughtful devices that solve real-life problems and make a noticeable difference. These aren't complicated tech products. They're everyday helpers that promote confidence, comfort, and independence at home and on the go. Stick around. You might be surprised by how much easier life can be with the right innovations. Standing Assist Device. The Standing Assist device is a simple yet incredibly helpful gadget designed to restore confidence and independence in daily movement. Ideal for seniors and anyone with back, knee, or mobility issues, it provides stable support when standing up from the floor, sofa, or garden. Its adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit for different users, while the non-slip, sturdy design prioritizes safety. Compact and portable, this $27 gadget is a practical, affordable solution for everyday support at home or on the go. Reacher Tool. The Reacher Tool is a practical, everyday gadget designed to make grabbing effortless and safe. Its enhanced 70mm silicone jaw delivers a strong, non-slip grip on small items like pills, coins, and paper. The lightweight 32-inch aluminum arm is easy to control, foldable, and smoothly swivels for tight spaces. With a 3-pound load capacity, it's reliable for home cleanup, shelves, and seniors needing extra reach. Priced at $27, it offers excellent value for daily use and convenience overall. Shower Chair. This shower chair is a reliable and well-built gadget designed to make bathing safer and more comfortable. Priced at $70, it offers heavy-duty stability with non-slip feet, ergonomic arm support, and a supportive back for added confidence in wet environments. The adjustable height makes it suitable for different users and shower setups, while tool-free assembly keeps things simple. With a strong crossbar design supporting up to 450 pounds, this shower chair is an excellent choice for seniors, or anyone needing extra safety and independence in the bathroom. RMS Deluxe Sock Aid. The RMS Deluxe Sock Aid is an affordable and practical $10 gadget that makes putting on socks effortless and independent. Perfect for seniors or anyone with limited mobility, it's especially helpful after back, knee, or hip surgery. Its soft, flexible contoured shell fits most regular socks, while the non-slip foam handle ensures a comfortable grip and keeps socks in place. With adjustable ropes up to 38 inches, it adapts to your needs, making daily routines easier and more comfortable for users with reduced hand strength. ELENKER Upright Walker. The ELENKER Upright Walker is a versatile $130 gadget designed to enhance mobility and comfort for older adults. Its adjustable padded seat with backrest offers superior comfort for resting, while the underseat pouch and cane/umbrella holder provide convenience on the go. The walker features 8-inch solid PVC wheels with an anti-tip frame and dual brake system for safe, smooth maneuvering. Fully adjustable handles and one-hand folding make it easy to customize, transport, and store, making daily walks safer and more enjoyable. Vocic Electric Chair. The Vocic Electric Chair is a premium $500 gadget designed for comfort, safety, and ease of use. Its one-piece T-shaped carbon steel base supports up to 440 pounds, providing stability and reducing tipping risks. The optimized wheels make room-to-room transfers effortless for caregivers, while ergonomic armrests and safety belts ensure secure use. With a thick memory foam cushion that relieves pressure, this chair offers all-day comfort, making it ideal for seniors, the disabled, or anyone needing safe, reliable support in the home or care settings. Hurchen Patient Lift Transfer Chair. The Hurchen Patient Lift Transfer Chair is a reliable $400 gadget designed to make transfers safe and effortless for seniors or people with limited mobility. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 275 pounds, while PU foam backrest, soft armrests, and anti-slip wheels ensure comfort and security. Versatile and portable, it functions as a wheelchair, shower chair, bedside commode, or transfer device. Easy to assemble and adjustable in width and height, it provides caregivers and users a practical, safe, and comfortable solution for daily transfers. Digital Calendar Clock. The Digital Calendar Clock is a practical $35 gadget perfect for seniors or anyone needing clear, easy-to-read time and date information. Its large display shows the time, day, and date, and can be hung on a wall or placed on a table. Auto night dimming and adjustable brightness ensure comfort, while 12 alarm modes help track medications, meals, or appointments. Supporting 8 languages and with backup after power outages, this clock is an ideal, reliable tool for senior care and daily organization. TAILI Shower Grab Bar. The TAILI Shower Grab Bar is a practical $34 gadget designed to enhance safety and independence in the bathroom. Its dual suction cups with locking latches provide stable support on smooth, non-porous surfaces, holding up to 240 pounds. The anti-slip top and curved wave design ensure a secure grip, reducing the risk of falls. Easy to install, removable, and reusable without wall damage, it's perfect for seniors, pregnant women, kids, or anyone with mobility challenges, offering reliable support in showers, bathtubs, toilets, and kitchens. Electric Toilet Lifter. The electric toilet lifter is a high-end $800 gadget designed to restore independence and safety in the bathroom. Its powered lift gently tilts up to 30 degrees, helping users sit down and stand up with minimal effort. Ergonomic armrests provide extra support, while a robust ABS plastic and stainless steel frame ensures durability and stability. Easy-to-use buttons allow silent operation, and adjustable legs fit various toilet heights. Ideal for seniors or anyone with limited mobility, it offers comfort, security, and peace of mind. Tub Transfer Bench. The Drive Tub Transfer Bench is a practical $52 gadget that makes bathing safer and more independent. Its sliding seat and supportive backrest provide stability and confidence, while drainage openings and suction cup feet prevent slipping. The height-adjustable legs, with 0.5-inch increments, ensure a perfect fit for various tubs and user needs. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it supports up to 350 pounds, offering durable, reliable support. Ideal for seniors or anyone needing extra safety in the bathroom. Sturdy Bed Rails. The Sturdy Bed Rails by Wellora are a $70 gadget designed to provide seniors with safety and independence in bed. Easy one-handed folding allows effortless use, while adjustable height, 21 to 22 inches, ensures customized comfort. Built with reinforced aluminum, C-bolts, and safety straps, it supports up to 330 pounds, offering reliable stability for getting in and out of bed. Lightweight at just 3.19 pounds, and portable, this bed rail is perfect for home use or travel, giving confidence and peace of mind. Lagtom Mobility Scooter. The Lagtom Mobility Scooter is a premium $1,796 gadget designed for style, comfort, and all-terrain freedom. Its 3-speed control lets you go from 1 to 15 miles per hour, while large 16-inch tires, rear shock absorbers, and anti-tippers ensure a smooth and safe ride on sand, grass, or snow. The deluxe reclining captain's seat with safety belt and ample storage adds convenience and comfort. Powered by an 800-watt brushless motor and long-range battery, it supports up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for active mobility and independence. Arthritis Bottle Opener. The Magic Opener Combo is a versatile $30 gadget designed to make opening bottles and cans effortless for seniors or anyone with arthritis or limited hand strength. Ergonomically built, it comfortably handles 16 different plastic cap sizes, soda and beer cans, and pull-tab food containers, Its durable design sticks to metal surfaces for easy access, ensuring convenience in the kitchen. This all-in-one opener reduces strain, eliminates frustration, and makes everyday tasks simple, safe, and pain-free. Perfect for home use or as a thoughtful gift. MAGNIPROS Page Magnifier. The MAGNIPROS Page Magnifier is a $25 gadget designed to make reading and crafting effortless for seniors or anyone with low vision. Its collapsible, detachable stand allows hands-free use, while the anti-glare lens and 24 SMD LED lights provide clear, comfortable illumination without eye strain. 3 stepless lighting modes, cool, warm, and combo, adapt to any environment. Durable and energy efficient, this magnifier ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for avid readers, hobbyists, or anyone who needs precise, comfortable magnification for everyday tasks. CallToU Medical Alert System. The CallToU Medical Alert System is a $50 gadget designed to provide peace of mind for seniors, patients, and caregivers. With 3 receivers and 2 call buttons, help is just a touch away, whether worn as a pendant or mounted nearby. The receiver's 500+ feet range and 55 selectable ringtones with adjustable volume ensure reliable alerts throughout the home. Waterproof and dustproof, it's durable enough for bathrooms or outdoor use, offering safety, independence, and convenience for both users and caregivers. JabraHearing Aid. The JabraHearing Aid is a premium $1,787 gadget offering clinic-quality sound at a fraction of the cost. Its ultra-discreet micro design is comfortable for all-day wear, while advanced technology ensures clarity even in noisy environments like parties or gatherings. Bluetooth streaming allows seamless connection to calls, music, and media on both Apple and Android devices. With tap control, users can answer phone calls hands-free. Ideal for seniors or anyone with hearing challenges, it combines discreet design, cutting-edge performance, and convenient modern connectivity. LifeGrip Anti-Slip. The LifeGrip Anti-Slip Tape is an $18 gadget designed to prevent slips and enhance safety for seniors, children, pets, and everyone in between. Made from durable PET material with high tensile strength, it withstands heavy foot traffic and extreme temperatures from -20°C to 60°C. The 80 grit aluminum oxide surface provides excellent traction, while the thick, waterproof acrylic adhesive sticks securely to smooth surfaces without leaving residue. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use on stairs, ramps, decks, or other slippery areas. Clip-on light. The clip-on light is a $20 gadget perfect for seniors, students, or anyone who loves reading in bed. Its sturdy clip with anti-slip pads attaches securely to headboards, desks, or workbenches without causing damage. With 36 LED beads, 3 color modes, 5 brightness levels, and a 30-minute timer, it offers eye-friendly, flicker-free illumination. The flexible 360-degree gooseneck lets you adjust the light precisely where needed. Easy to plug in and use, it's ideal for reading, crafting, or focused tasks. 2-Step Stool. The 2-Step Stool is a $66 gadget designed to provide safety and independence for seniors and adults. With a sturdy, non-slip platform and adjustable handrail offering 5 height settings, it ensures stable support for getting into bed, the bathtub, or reaching high areas. Glow-in-the-dark steps add nighttime safety, while its heavy-duty construction supports up to 400 pounds. Versatile and durable, this step stool is perfect for home use, helping the whole family navigate elevated spaces confidently and securely.